All right, guys, we're getting under this 1968 Ford Bronco project. What's awesome about this one is that it is an original Arizona Bronco itself, and it is in really, really good shape. There's some nice patina going on under here. It has been primed, so it is ready for whatever kind of color that you want to go with. Suspension is in good shape. Brakes are in good shape. Rear diff and transfer case. Now, if you noticed over here, your front drive shaft and transfer case is not connected, but you can get one of those. This one just does not have it, and that's why we are selling it as a project. It's just got a few things that need to be done to it, but if you spend another $30,000 into it, these are bringing a good $100,000. If you're familiar with them, been looking for one, this is one that you can get at a really good deal. Let's hop into the test drive. All right, guys, we got this Ford Bronco. Now this thing is actually in really good shape, and everybody knows these have just went through the roof. This one does need some work. This one is consigned. You know, I was looking through here, and overall, I mean, the body panels are in pretty good shape. This one has been primered. It does have the hard top. There's a few things with it, but overall, it's in decent shape. You could definitely throw in a crate engine. You can throw in a Coyote, that's for sure. These are bringing big bucks. Go through here. All these turn. You can see this has got 31, 10.5, 15s on it. It does have a set of new shocks with it as well. There's a little bit of mud right here going on. A little bit right there on that door, but a lot of the other, this does have the fenders. It also does have another set for the front if you want to cut into those. Again, 31, 10.5, 15. And these are in good shape. See through here, there is some dry rotting going on there, and dry rotting going on there. I'd definitely throw a new set of tires on it for sure. Dry rot going on with that tire. It's in good shape. It is missing the lug. Yeah, this one's actually in pretty good shape. You can see through there. Again, dry rotting going on there. There you go. Turns. Frame's in good shape. It does have the hood pins. Engine there. This is all actually set up decent. You know, nothing crazy. It's definitely a good project if you're looking for one. So there, get into the interior. Interior is definitely going to need some work. New seats, dash, some gauges, some upholstery there on the top, but the floor is all in good shape. I actually really like the patina color itself. It is actually really nice there. Again, this one does have the hard top. So you got your oil pressure and temperature. Obviously, these are four-wheel drive. This does not have the front drive shaft. Going through here, see all that? That's in good shape. You know, get some good TLC and it'll be all right. Going over here to the passenger side. This door handle is broke. Works from the outside. This actually works good. Well, decent, not perfect, but overall works out pretty good. Of course, we're gonna need a new dash pad. Like, this has been repaired a little bit here, but it is in good shape. I don't know if that's been hardened or replaced, can't quite tell. This does look original for sure. And some of that's going on there. But overall, this thing's actually in good shape for that. And this is, it's missing that too. I think we'll be able to save with the no hood pins. Let's check and see. Let's see if this one works good. This one does work good here. Keep that down because it is nice and hot. 110 something. For a while, you can just tell by the overall shape of, you know, everything else with it. But the metal's in good shape, obviously, because Arizona, you know, there's definitely some money that you're going to have to put into it to make it, you know, a real nice, you know, say driver, or a you know, something high quality. But right now, I mean, technically, you can drive it. Brakes are good. Obviously, it's not the crazy fast one, but this engine is actually pretty stout. Pretty impressed with the engine itself. It's got a little bit. I would, you know, go with the crate, but something, you know, just to drive. It's, you know, kind of set up and ready to drive. Again, brakes are good, steering's decent, not all over the place. Don't want to go too crazy without those hood pins. Overall, I mean, overall it drives out really well for what it is. Drive shaft, you can get a drive shaft for it, so we're not really fully going to be able to test out the four-wheel drive to make sure that that works. But the good thing is that these are pretty much, you know, all mechanical. So with that, you know, I'm sure that the differential front diff is in good shape, but I just not going to know without the front drive shaft being able to engage it. Switch works. That's a good thing. You know, another thing is obviously no horn. The lights do, well, some of the lights work, some of them do not work. But one thing I was seeing, look at that. It's got wipers. You know, there's a lot of cars that we get in here that are all tip-top perfect shape. The wipers don't work. Obviously, the horn doesn't work on this one, but overall, hey, wipers work, just in case. We got over 300 photos. We have nationwide transport and online financing. ClassicCarAddict.com.